Hello, gearheads. In a world where glory is tempting and defeat is always lurking, heroes are forged in the fires of battle. They rise with might, only to fall into the shadows. This is the tale of the Tundra, a warrior of metal and grit, struck down by its own creation. A tragic fate for a titan built to endure. But even in defeat, there is a spark of rebirth. The once mighty Tundra, betrayed by the very power that was meant to propel it forward, now faces its greatest challenge yet, redeeming its legacy, debris from its own core. A flaw that could spell disaster. The heart of a warrior lies wounded, yet not extinguished. In this tale of struggle and survival, the call to rise again is as strong as the roar of its engine. The road ahead is a fierce battlefield. For decades, Toyota held the throne as the undisputed champion of reliability and endurance. Its warriors were revered, but even the greatest kings faced trials. The 2022 to 2023 Tundra, armed with the 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6, was designed to be a pinnacle of performance. The embodiment of strength and efficiency. But alas, the tides of fate were cruel. A fatal flaw. Microscopic debris trapped within its internal components, a grave error in an otherwise flawless design. This enemy, born from the heart of its creation, struck at the most critical moment. Knocking, stalling, and ultimately, failure to start. The mighty Tundra fell prey to an unseen adversary, an ignoble defeat for a titan meant to dominate. But Toyota does not bow to adversity. 1,02,092 fallen warriors, each one beckoning for salvation, called back from the depths of despair to be restored. The V35A engines, marked by failure, will be resurrected with new hearts, renewed strength, and a spirit that refuses to die. This is a pledge, a promise that every warrior will rise, transformed and ready to conquer anew. But what truly makes the Tundra a hero? Its engine. The very essence of its being isn't just about raw power. It embodies precision, a symphony of engineering that merges strength with sophistication. Transitioning from the revered V8 was no small feat, yet the bold move to the twin-turbo V6 promised a new era. One where power and efficiency dance in perfect harmony. With the iForce Max hybrid system, the Tundra commands 437 horsepower and an impressive 479 pound-foot of torque. An unbridled force ready to tackle any obstacle. Whether navigating through bustling city streets or conquering rugged wilderness, this warrior does not just survive, it thrives. Its power rivals even the most formidable competitors, and with Toyota's legacy of dependability, it stands ready to face any challenge. But strength without control is meaningless. Step inside the Tundra's cockpit. Not merely a cabin, but a command center designed for the modern warrior. The 12.3-inch touchscreen serves as your battlefield map, with every feature at your fingertips. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You are eternally connected to your crew, your mission, your destiny. And in the driver's seat, you feel the essence of power. The Tundra is not just built to endure. It's engineered to dominate. Heated, ventilated seats cradle you in luxury, while the premium sound system transforms the environment into a fortress of tranquility amidst chaos. Every journey becomes a quest, every drive a statement of strength and resilience. The Tundra is far from over. This is not merely a recall. It is a redemption, a resurgence that resonates through every gear and piston. Each of the 1,02,092 fallen warriors has been summoned back to life, rising from the ashes of doubt to roar once more. The heart of a Tundra beats strong, no longer a victim but a champion once more. This is the time for glory. Toyota leads the charge into a new era, where the Tundra, once fallen, rises again as a legend reborn. The battlefield awaits, and the Tundra stands ready. Undaunted, undefeated, and unbreakable.